exploring Python IDEs from idle to advanced development environments. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. So you're diving into the world of Python. That's awesome. But before you start coding like a pro, you need the right tools, right? That's where IDEs come in, your digital workspaces for all things code. In this video, we're exploring the world of Python IDEs, from the beginner-friendly idle to the more advanced setups used by seasoned developers. Whether you're just starting out or looking to level up your coding game, stick around to find the perfect IDE for you. Let's get started. Python idle. Your first steps into code. Python's default IDE, idle. Think of it as the training wheels of coding. IDLE stands for Integrated Development and Learning Environment. It comes bundled with Python, perfect for beginners. IDLE has the essentials covered. You get a code editor with syntax highlighting and a debugger to squash bugs, plus an interactive shell for real-time coding. PyCharm, the powerhouse for Python pros. Next up, we're jumping into the big leagues with PyCharm. Developed by JetBrains, PyCharm is the go-to IDE for many professional Python developers. And trust me, once you experience the power and efficiency of PyCharm, it's hard to go back. One of the things that sets PyCharm apart is its intelligent code completion. It's like having a coding buddy who can anticipate your next move, suggesting code snippets and auto-completing your thoughts. But PyCharm is more than just smart code completion. It comes loaded with advanced debugging tools, seamless integration with version control systems like Git, and support for web development frameworks like Django and Flask. PyCharm comes in both free, open source community edition and a paid professional edition, which offers even more advanced features. VS Code, the customizable powerhouse. Looking for a versatile IDE? Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a fan favorite. Developed by Microsoft, VS Code is free, lightweight, and highly customizable. Its true potential is unlocked through its extensive library of extensions. Create the perfect coding environment tailored to your needs. With built-in Git, debugging tools, and an integrated terminal, VS Code has everything you need. Chapter 4. Jupyter Notebook Lab, where code meets data. Jupyter Notebook is a favorite among data scientists for combining code, text, and visualizations. It's perfect for data analysis, machine learning, and creating interactive reports. You can run individual cells of code and see results immediately. With support for libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and Matplotlib, you can create stunning visualizations. Chapter 5. Spider, the data scientist's best friend. Let's talk about Spider, an IDE for scientific computing and data analysis. Spider is often bundled with Anaconda, a popular Python distribution. It provides code editing, debugging, and data exploration tools. The Variable Explorer lets you visualize and interact with data in real time. Spider integrates with libraries like NumPy, SciPy, Matplotlib, and Pandas. Chapter 6. Atom, the hackable text editor. Now, if you're the type of developer who likes to tinker and customize every aspect of your coding environment, then Atom might just be your soulmate IDE. Developed by GitHub, Atom is often referred to as a hackable text editor, which essentially means you can tweak and extend it to your heart's content. Atom is built on Electron, a framework for building desktop applications using web technologies. This means you can customize Atom using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, giving you incredible flexibility in shaping your ideal coding environment. But even if you're not a coding ninja, Atom has a lot to offer. It's free, open source, and has a massive community of developers creating and sharing packages that extend its functionality. From themes and syntax highlighting to linters and debuggers, there's a package for just about everything you can imagine. Chapter 7. Funny. Learning Python, one step at a time. For all the aspiring Python developers out there, especially those just starting their coding journey, let me introduce you to Thonny, an IDE that's specifically designed with beginners in mind. Thonny takes away a lot of the complexities of setting up a coding environment and presents you with a clean, intuitive interface that's perfect for learning the ropes of Python. One of the things that makes Thonny so beginner-friendly is its step-by-step expression evaluation. You can actually see how Python evaluates your code line by line, which is incredibly helpful for understanding how code flows and for debugging those early coding errors. Thonny also has a built-in debugger that lets you step through your code, set breakpoints, and inspect variables. Chapter 8. Sublime Text, the Speed Demon. When it comes to speed and efficiency, Sublime Text is in a league of its own. It's known for its lightning-fast performance, making it a favorite among developers who value a snappy and responsive coding experience. Sublime Text is a sophisticated text editor at its core, but with the right plugins, it transforms into a powerful Python IDE. It offers features like syntax highlighting, code completion, and multiple selections, which allows you to edit multiple lines of code simultaneously. But what truly sets Sublime Text apart is its speed. It launches quickly, opens large files in a flash, and handles even the most demanding coding tasks without breaking a sweat. If you're tired of sluggish IDEs that slow you down, give Sublime Text a try, and you'll see the difference speed makes. Chapter 9. Eclipse with PyDev, the multitasking maestro. Now, for those of you who work with multiple programming languages, Eclipse is a familiar name. It's a powerful IDE that can be customized to support a wide range of languages, including Python, with the help of plugins. With the PyDev plugin, Eclipse transforms into a feature-rich Python IDE that can handle everything from web development to data science. One of the key advantages of Eclipse is its comprehensive set of features. It offers advanced debugging, code refactoring, unit testing, and integration with version control systems. If you're already comfortable with the Eclipse ecosystem, or if you need an IDE that can handle multiple languages, Eclipse with PyDev is definitely worth considering. Chapter 10. Wing IDE, Debugging Done Right. Let's talk about Wing IDE, an IDE that's laser-focused on providing a top-notch debugging experience for Python developers. Wing IDE is known for its powerful debugger, which allows you to step through your code, set breakpoints, inspect variables, and even debug code running remotely. One of the standout features of Wing IDE's debugger is its ability to debug multi-threaded and multi-process applications, which can be a lifesaver when you're working on complex projects. Wing IDE also offers features like code completion, code intelligence, and integration with popular testing frameworks. It's available in multiple editions, including a free personal edition and paid professional and enterprise editions, which offer more advanced features. Chapter 11. Data Science IDEs, Rodeo, DataSpell, and beyond. In the world of data science, having the right tools can make all the difference. That's where specialized data science IDEs come in, offering a tailored experience for data analysts, scientists, and machine learning engineers. One such IDE is Rodeo, which is designed to make data analysis and exploration more intuitive and efficient. Rodeo provides a user-friendly interface that integrates a code editor, a console, and a variety of data visualization tools. Another popular option is DataSpell, a relatively new IDE from JetBrains that's specifically designed for data science workflows. DataSpell offers a similar set of features to PyCharm, but with a greater emphasis on data exploration, visualization, and machine learning. These data science IDEs often integrate seamlessly with Jupyter Notebooks, providing a powerful combination of interactive coding and data analysis capabilities. Outro, choosing your coding companion. Finding the right Python IDE for you. So, there you have it, a whirlwind tour of the Python IDE landscape. We've covered a lot of ground, from beginner-friendly options like Idle and Thonny to powerhouse IDEs like PyCharm and VS Code, and even specialized tools for data science. The best IDE for you ultimately depends on your specific needs, coding style, and the type of projects you're working on. Don't be afraid to experiment with a few different IDEs to find the one that feels like the perfect fit for your workflow. And hey, if you discover a hidden gem or have a favorite IDE that I didn't mention, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!